Are you looking to upgrade your wheelchair game, or really your office chair game? Well, look no further than the office chair wheels replacement Huracan set of 5 rubber chair caster wheels for hardwood floor, heavy duty office chair casters wheel. I can't read the rest of it, but they're from Amazon.com for $17. Hello everyone, the Duke here, and these things are awesome. However, they're not compatible with IKEA chairs, so if you have one of those chairs, screw you. They arrived in the most superb of packaging. FedEx would be proud. They're literally the epitome of, I don't know what that word means, but a plug and play. You simply take out the old ones and put these ones in. For the price of around $17, they're fairly affordable, and while there is some RGB ones that I would most definitely have gotten had I known about them, I'm very happy with these. They're quiet, allowing you to sneak up on your coworkers and get sent to HR faster than ever. They're fast, meaning that if you push this chair accidentally, it will hit the wall and scuff it up. I didn't scuff up the wall, okay? For my renter who may be watching this, I didn't scuff up the wall. It was a joke, I swear. But overall, it's an epic upgrade for an epic chair. If you're looking to harass people silently and faster than you ever had before in the comfort of your office chair, look no further than these products. These are Gucci. Alright, they're Gucci. Anyway, if you want to roll around in style with these really cool wheels, then I would check out Amazon.com. I ran out of puns there, I'm sorry. And buy these because I'm quite happy with them. I hope you enjoyed the video, and this has been the Duke, signing off.